Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dila Pratiwi. My student ID number B300210241 from Class A, Faculty Economic and Business, Measuring Development Economics, Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta. This is my opinion about the importance of English in globalization era. In this modern era, English is very important because English is the international language used to communicate in most countries in the world. English can connect various countries in the world. In addition to communicating, the English language is also very necessary. Among others, for education because most of the books written in English. In addition, English is also a powerful tool to conquer the internet and will be easier to get a job. In Indonesia, English is very foreign language. This is studied from primary school to college level. The importance of speaking English today has an important role in our daily lives. This is a great way of communication. Learning to speak English might be the best way to improve our lives. In the era of globalization, which is full of challenges and super tight competition, everyone is required not only to have a high level of education, but also to have special abilities commonly known as skills. One of the most needed skills today is English, where English has been designated as an international language, as a verbal language to communicate, also as a universal language of instruction used in almost every corner of the world. Everyone is required to struggle in a globalized world if they want to grow up and not run in the same place. By mastering English, people can communicate further so that insight in the field of information technology will be more open. Likewise, having the ability to communicate using English is one of the big capital to step in the world and face technological advances that are always moving forward. In developing countries such as Indonesia, English plays a vital role in all aspects of life, especially in science and technology. In addition, it can be used to develop relations in international forums and to strengthen relations between nations in the world. This shows how important English is in the era of globalization, both in everyday life and in the world of education, technology, and business. Given the importance of English, which is used almost all over the world, everyone wants to use English as their own, both as a mother tongue and as a second language. Based on explanation, English is a global language, so for those who want to be a step ahead of people in general, we should be able to speak English. Many people are reluctant to learn English because they feel too old to speak English. But in my opinion, the main capital for speaking English well is not someone's age, but how determined a person to learn. Vocabulary knowledge in English dictionary is the main capital in learning this language. English vocabulary should be introduced or taught from an early age. Nowadays, English is no longer a very usual thing, but English has become to norm especially in the era of globalization. Able to speak well and fluently, English no longer be an added value, but it has become demands or needs for every people in today's era of globalization. This is because English language influence in almost all aspects in life. That's my opinion about the importance of English in globalization era. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.